Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the week 12 assignment 12 of online communication in digital age. And now we are going to discuss the first question. What is the primary purpose of a brain computer interface BCI? And we have four options: enhancing computer hardware, investigating and mapping human cognitive or sensory motor functions, restoring electrical activity in the brain, establishing communication links between computers. And the right answer is investigating and mapping human cognitive or sensory motor functions. Now moving to question number 2, what is Neuralink? Elon Musk neurotechnology company primary focus on developing. We have four options: virtual reality devices, advanced prosthetics, prosthetics, brain computer interface technology, augmented reality glasses. And the right answer for question number 2 is brain computer interface technology. Moving to question number 3, how do Snapchat lenses utilize augmented reality AR? We have four options: by overlapping animations and effect onto users' face in real time, by bringing dancing into users' living rooms, by projecting AR effects and visuals onto concert stages, by creating a virtual world for users to explore. And the right answer is by overlaying animations and effects onto user face in real time. Now moving to question number 4, how do augmented reality system like word lens enhance language understanding? And we have four options: by offering convenience through spoken word translations, by creating a virtual environment for language learning, by deciphering foreign text and presenting translated text in the user's language within their augmented view, or by providing grammar lessons in an augmented reality settings. And the right answer is by deciphering foreign text and presenting translated text in the user's language within their augmented view is the right answer for question number 4. What is the Sensorama introduced by Horton Healing in 1962? Sensorama. We have four options: 3D printer, virtual reality headset, mechanical device stimulating a virtual experience, and early computer mouse. And the right answer is a virtual reality headset is the right answer for question number 5. What does CAVE, that is Cave Automatic Virtual Environment, typically consist of? We have four options: a natural cave system, multi-walls where 3D computer generated images are projected, a type of virtual reality headset, or 2D computer monitor. And the right answer is multiple walls where 3D computer generated images are projected. Now moving to question number 7, what is the Proteus effect in the context of virtual avatars? And the right answer for question number 7 is the phenomenon of avatar having knowledge of past, present and future event is the right answer for question number 7. Now moving to question number 8, what advantages do virtual worlds offer for the study of socio-cultural conventions in Proximus? And the right answer is control of appearance related variables is the right answer for question number 8. Now moving to question number 9, what is one of the ethical challenge associated with metaverse? We have four options: limited interaction opportunities, reduced privacy concern, enhanced identity security, or ambiguity in communication. And the right answer is reduced privacy concern. Now moving to question number 10, what is emphasized as a critical for personal protection in the context of recognizing dissipative behavior? And we have four options: engaging in emotional manipulation, trusting all sorts of information, avoiding critical thinking, balancing digital surveillance and privacy. And the right answer is balancing digital surveillance and privacy. Hope you will submit your assignment on time. 17th is the last date for submission of your 12th assignment. Thank you to all.